Hello guys, how are you and welcome back. It has been a little bit, but also I really wanted to just say Happy New Year because the last video that you guys saw up, there was actually another video taped before that. Whether it'll go up or not, I'm not sure. It has to do with some health stuff and some personal things, and I hope to kind of put a vlog of those things together when I feel confident in doing so. So in that one, I told you Happy New Year's, but in the last video, I did not. So I totally apologize for that. What I'm going to get into today is something that I really enjoy, but I don't speak a lot about just yet. Of course, we see skincare in our BoxyCharm videos and Ipsy and other videos, but I'm actually very much a skincare girl. I've mentioned it a few times in videos, but here today, I have this covered up a little. I have the FUKUBUKURO, I believe it's called. It's a lucky bag that means like good fortune. So if you buy a bag or a certain amount of product from them, they give you $100 or $200 plus worth of items back, so pretty much covering the cost of whatever you purchase and then some. So right now I have this with me. I've seen other videos go up like this, but I have never done one myself. So hopefully you guys are semi-interested in this. I am a Tatcha girl. I have their Dewy Skin serum right here. I have the essence right here. I have what's my favorite, which is the Dewy Cream. You'll forgive me, you'll see I've lost quite a few nails. I have the lip tint. I have, what do I have here? I have the Serum Stick. I have the, something that's fallen. I have the water cream in a mini. I have the under eye colored. A lot, guys. I have a lot. I have the orange mask, the orange vitamin C, whatever. You get the point. Let's get into it. So we can't get into it because I haven't fully opened it. One second. Okay, so sorry about that. I thought I had opened every area of this box and I had not. So we're now going to open. I believe it just opens. The top's going to open up for me, hopefully. Okay, so this is, let me just make sure I'm not showing anything. One moment. So this is what it's going to come looking like. How beautiful. So if you don't know, I am Japanese. So for those who don't know, Tatcha is based on Japanese skincare and preservatives, I'm not sure I say preservatives, but ingredients that come from Japan. So I already love that because my roots, who I was raised by, you know, Japanese. So always drawn by that. But I can see right here, if you guys can see as well, the what's called Lucky Bag is right here. So we're going to get into that, but if you don't mind real quick, I'm just going to show you what I got real quick. So these are two samples. This is the liquid silk canvas. I had tried this in the putty and did not really love it. I ended up selling it. It did clog my pores, and then I bought the e.l.f. one and didn't love that one again. This is the Dewy Skin, which I have the big one of, and I've already told you guys that. I really wanted this. This is the miniature size of the Gold Camilla Beauty Oil. This is Camilla Oil Gold 23 karat Gold Flex and Hadasai 3 Complex. We're going to get into it. It's a rich essential antioxidant and deep moisturizing. I do have really dry skin, so I was hoping this would be great for me. I got the silk cream. I thought if you guys go look online, this stuff is expensive, so I felt it if I was going to get anything to ask for this product because it's super expensive, and if I can get it for pretty much free, then might as well, right? So I got the silk cream, and the silk cream is supposed to be a step in between the water cream and the dewy. So I believe it's hydrating and slightly dewy, but not as dewy as the rest. Now, I felt like this might be a good one for makeup, and then the dewy cream might be good for sleeping as it's a little bit thicker. I believe that the texture is thicker, and we can go through that as well once we've opened up the Lucky Bag, because I know a lot of you are here to see the Lucky Bag. So right here, I got the Indigo Cream, and I have a smaller version of this. So I have two of these. So I have an Indigo Cream, and then it's this guy right here. So sorry. Let me just take it out real quick. You'll see it's made to soothe the skin and This is the coloring of it. It is super thick, and I love it for after doing a peel or just needing my skin to get back to normalcy. I also had the Soothing Body one, which I'm going to show you guys right here. I use this, so when you guys saw I was wearing the heart monitor, it had given me such a bad reaction all over my chest, and this cleared it up within like, I not say fully, but like to the point where it wasn't in pain, like bloody or itching within like 3 to 7 days. And I'd say it was completely gone within 3 weeks. And that's after the first week I did stop using that. So that's really what saved me. If you guys have eczema or anything like that, I highly recommend looking into it at least. I'm not going to say I know if you should definitely get it, but I believe that that's what it was designed for. The other thing I see here is the rice polish, and this is the gentle one, just because like I said, I do have not sensitive skin, but it's very dry, so I didn't want to break it down even more. So right here is the Lucky Bag. It says FUKUBUKURO, I hope I'm saying that correctly, or a Lucky Bag is much anticipated New Year custom in Japan. This mystery shopping event is a special treat where grab bags said to be filled with luck can be purchased at an amazing value. So it comes in this really cute, I don't know if you can tell, it's either lime green or like yellow bag. And I'm just going to rip the back of what I was just reading, and we're going to dive right into it. We're just going to grab one thing at a time. Oh, actually, it's wrapped up in tissue paper as well. Beautiful purple tissue paper. Love it. So I'm trying not to look and just grab the first thing. And this is the, oh, I love this. I do have this as well. And it's in new packaging, I believe. This is the Violet Sea Brightening Serum. This is an everyday serum, where this guy that I showed you is actually a mask to put on and then you rinse it off. So this is to use every day. So that's exciting. I love that already. So I know that's a good one for me. The next thing I grab, okay, is the Silk Canvas, the liquid form. I am going to try this in the trial size. If this doesn't work great for me, I might put this up on my Macari. I do have some other Tatcha things that I will likely put on my Macari, just because I know they don't work for my skin and break me out. My pores get clogged super easily. So the next thing I have here, no! No, is the Silk Canvas that I was just talking about. This is such a great priced item, but for me, it is no good for me. So you will see this on my Macari. Message me if you don't even want it to make it there. You know, we can talk between each other and make something happen that way. But I'm so sad. Okay. No. I'm lucky. I'm blessed. So I don't really want to see what else is in there. It looks like I can feel a few more items. So the next thing I have, okay, I do already have, this is the Serum Stick. And I do already have this, and I like this, so it's a good thing to have, and it's lasted me a really long time. I'm going to pull the one I already have out and kind of show you guys. This is what the Serum Stick looks like. So you roll it up, and it looks like this. This is just the back of my hand. You'll see. It just gives you like a really nice sheen, and you rub it in. And from what I remember, touch up, I also put it under my eye, and it's supposed to, you know, hydrate, prevent wrinkles and such. I don't believe it says anything more on this one. Same thing, treatment. The next thing I feel, so 2 more things. Okay, so this is one of my favorite things. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I actually just got a small size of this as well, so I have 2 of these now. And then the next thing I got, okay, is the Silk Cream, which I actually just bought. So I got some doubles, but I'm very happy to have this. I'm happy to have this. I already own this, so I know I'll use this again. And I use this. So it's really just a matter of, am I going to use this? And what about this? But in reality, these products are so pricey that it makes it, I think the little guy of this is like $30 some. I believe this is like $45. I think the stick is like $60. And I know this guy is at least $20. I know this, I think, is around $68, I want to say. And I'm not sure about this guy because it is a trial size. So all in all, I'm super happy with everything I got. I do think it was a great bag, and I would say that next year, if you can get your hands on it, please do. I know Tatcha stuff very rarely goes on sale, so if you can get it at a great price, I would say go ahead and grab something, see if you like it. Or what's really great is you can buy these small sizes. And even though this one's 30, I know like if you're oily, you might want to try the water cream, which people rave about with oily skin. This is 20. So they do have trial size ones that allow you to try it without making such a big, you know, purchase and it being that expensive. I did get my best friend hooked on the Dewy Cream, and now she's a lifer, so I love that. Yeah, treat yourself every once in a while. I wouldn't say go out and buy the entire skincare line. It would cost you hundreds of dollars, but if you've got, you know, $100 to spend on yourself and you're really interested, or not even in like the Dewy Cream or the water cream, you know, they don't even cost that. So yeah, go treat yourself, and I think this was a win all the way around. Let me know what you guys think down below. Was this worth it, and would you get it, and did you get it? If you did you get the same lucky bag as me? I'm wondering if other people got different lucky bags. I don't know. I really don't know how that works. So maybe I'll check into that as well with some of your videos. Let me know, link below, if you've unboxed yours and I can check out your video. So I will be back tomorrow with another great video. So stay tuned, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Sending you all light and love, guys. Bye.